Welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about what is all about security testing and why it is required. What is the importance of security testing and why it is very important and relevant in software testing. Before proceeding further, if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. So let's move on to understand to what is all about security testing. The security testing is one kind of software testing type where we are mainly concentrating on to find out the security flaws in the application. We are ensuring that it is difficult to hack the application. We'll have to ensure in such a way that we follow all the security aspects and we have to abide to all the security protocols that ensures that application is well secured from external intruders or hacking our application. That is the main intention to perform security testing in detailed way. The security testing is also we are ensuring that all the personal data such as your credit card information, your debit card information, your social security numbers, everything is secured in the application. Let's say if someone is hacks the application and if takes away all this important information, then you can imagine what would be the disaster, right? So your application should be able to take care and to ensure that it is well secured from any of the potential hackers. So that is the kind of testings we'll have to perform as part of the security testing. So we are going to enforce to access to the application only based on the authentication, authorization, and also we will ensure that the data which is well integrated and all the time the application is available to the users. So these are the some of the important things we perform as part of the security testing. I hope you clearly understood what is all about security testing. Let's move on to understand why do we really require security testing? Why it is so important we are giving for performing security testing. So security testing is very important, most important, because if you are looking on any important application which is released by the companies, top companies, all the time they're putting more investment in securing the application with a high quality just to ensure that their application is well secured. If you are not keeping the application well secured, then it may lead to a huge disasters. I'm going to list down what all the things it may happen if you are not maintaining your application in well secured manner. Customer, they will leave your application and they may not be going to use because your application is not well secured and they may lose their personal data or they may lose all the information which they kept it in this application. So hence your customer may leave you from you. They may not ready to buy your product or they may not willing to associate with you in future. Because of that, if you are going to lose the customer, you will lose the revenue as well. So you will lose the revenue of your product and nobody likes your product if your application is not well secured. Because of that, you may lose. If someone is going to hack your application or a website, you can imagine a lot of damage that person might have done to your application or website. Then in order to recover that app or application, then you may need to put in so much expenses to recover the application, right? That is also one of the important expenses your company has to bear that. And again, if you're not well thought about from the beginning all the security aspects, then the cost of fixing all the attacks and all the future aspects is very costly affair. Hence, you should bring the security testing well in the beginning. You should have right architecture, right way of developing the application so that we can take care of all the security aspect of the application. The last but the not the least is, because if you lose the trust, and the customer can go and file a legal case against your company, right? And you have to fight a lot of legal battles because of the breach of trust. Then you'll have to spend millions of dollars in fighting a legal battle. This is why security testing is very important. That would help you to bring a right quality, and it avoids all the unnecessary challenges if you face any security attack. I hope you are able to get hold of what is all about security testing, why security testing is very important. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click on like button, and if you visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.